was not planning on making another gardening video this soon, but I made it to gardening TikTok. And I have some tips that I want to try out. I also have some Miracle Grow that I want to put into action on the flowers and then also the garden. And yeah, let's try out some of these gardening tips. These tips aren't very groundbreaking. They're just general tips that probably anybody who has a garden would know. So there are things on tomato plants called suckers, and they grow between the main stems, and they essentially compete for nutrients and things from the main plant. So we want to get rid of them. An example of a sucker is this right here. So here's the main stem, and then it's got like this big one coming off of it, and then there's this one in the middle. Now this is just competing for nutrients, so simply just want to get rid of it. Here's another one. Okay, so I just got all the suckers off. Now another tip that this guy gave was to basically just cut the bottom branches off. He did like a foot of them. I'm just gonna do the bottom couple. They're just, again, just eating up the nutrients when those nutrients could be going to the more fruitful part of the plant. Wow, this is my first time using these, and they're amazing. So the bottoms of the plants are all clean now, and I forgot that another reason for doing this is it helps to stop pests from being able to get higher up on the plant, because you're essentially getting rid of like a staircase for them. While we're here, I'll update you on the rest of the garden. I'm pretty sure that this is peas coming up, and those are probably beans, some of them. And then those two are cucumbers. Another tip that I saw was plant a bunch of them and then thin them out as they start coming up. Keep the strongest ones. This row right here is supposed to be spinach, but I don't see anything spinach looking coming up yet. And then we've got beets, which I'm pretty sure a bunch of these are beets. Like especially, like look at, that's a little beet coming in. And then carrots, I don't know. That's all carrots there. We shall see. I'm pretty sure there are people outside, so I got shy talking. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to deadhead flowers. I learned that annuals, their main goal is to grow flowers. And they have such a short lifespan because they're only here for one season. It's their lifelong goal to grow flowers. It's not even just to grow flowers, it's to make seeds. You have the flower, and then the flower like finishes its life, and then it's all like dried up and shrivelly. You're left with seeds. So that's what the annual plant's goal is to get to. So what you want to do is deadhead them before it gets to that stage. And then, so deadhead is essentially just cutting off the dead parts. And then your plant kind of goes into panic mode, and it's just like, oh my God, this is gone. I'm not making enough seeds. I'm not making enough flowers. And then it starts to grow more. Oop. Goodbye, flower. This one's getting there. Probably deadheaded now. We've got to go. I cut a live one. Oh, darn it. Don't be like me. Be careful. This is sharp. So the last thing is not from TikTok. This is something that my mom and dad dropped off this morning. So this is all-purpose water-soluble plant food. And it's for flowers, vegetables, trees, shrubs, lawns, and house plants. So 1.5 tablespoons per 1.5 gallons. I'm gonna roughly say that that's like I guess, the watering can. So this is what it looks like, and it comes with a measuring spoon, and then it has the outdoor and indoor side. So cute. I'm gonna do that one more time. So there we go. Next time I water my flowers, I'm going to use the Miracle Grow, and then you repeat once a week or every 2 weeks. Okay, that's it for today's video. See you next time. Bye.